Hi, I've got a few important questions for you. Do you want to live a life full of beauty and wonder? Are you willing to experience how the best version of you can emerge naturally and effortlessly without any need to use willpower? Are you open to the idea of finding yourself doing things that you never thought possible? And are you curious to see what lies at the edge of your world? If yes, we've got something for you. It's an online program called A Campfire at the Edge of the World, and it's designed for people who want to create their own life, one step at a time. It's designed for people who want to live an unleashed life. Check it out. We think you'll like it. Bye.